Students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So I am your Rose ma'am and I am going to teach you English. So children, all of you open your English book to page number. Children, this is your first lesson, that is to Morocco. In last video we had finished with page number 9 to page number 10, that is half till here. Everything here looks strange, isn't it children? So of this lesson I will give a short summary of what we had done in previous class. So children, some friends were there. They all went for a tour to Morocco and it was their dream also to visit this place, and Morocco is situated in Africa. So these friends first landed in Rabat. तो ये दोस्त लोग फर्स्ट कहाँ पे लैंड किया? फर्स्ट उन्होंने लैंड किया रबत में, ओके, which is the capital of Morocco, and this place is situated near western and end of the Mediterranean Sea, and it is very close to Europe also, okay, and the coastal looks very green and beautiful. After spending 2 days, okay children, these friends, after spending 2 days, they came to Tangier. The city is built on the slope of the Chocolstones hill, and it is very important port. It is a high-rise building, flat topped. So after staying in Rabat, then they visited to a place called Tangier, okay, and this city is built on the slope of the chalky landstones. Then afterwards, over there the houses looks in white, okay, all the houses are painted in white, and the roads are broad, and there are also domes and minarets. Minarets means a tower, so there is also a tower over there, okay, and in some place the roads are very narrow, and if some people visit those place, okay, so the foreigners, those who visit some place, those are called foreigner, and to find a friend over there, it's not easy, okay. So if you go to that place, so those peoples will look at you like a stranger, okay children. Now we will continue with the second paragraph. So here we will start. We found most of the men wearing boots and a long flowing gowns. So वहाँ के जो लोग हैं, they are different people, like their dressing sense is different. So they wear a long gown type, and they wear boots, okay children. Women wore veils that covered their face, and what women wear? Women wear their long gown, but they wear veils on their face to cover their face. So veils is a small type of a cloth which has a net. It is a net type of a cloth. In many part of the city, the souks means the market, okay beta, were crowded with people. On both sides of the streets there were a tiny shop selling trinkets like So there were tiny shops selling trinkets and souvenir or expensive carpet. Souvenir means a memento, things bought to remind you of a place or a visit. Okay, it is like a memento bringing from that place. As we reached Tangier, we entered a room for a few dirhams and went to find something to eat. Everywhere people gave us a strange look. So as soon as these people reached Tangier, they rented a room, means they took one room as a rent, and they paid few dirhams. Dirhams means children like money over there, okay, currency of that place, and went to find something to eat, and they were hungry, so they went out to find something to eat. Everywhere people gave us a strange look. So as they were going here and there, the people were looking them very strangely. Why they were looking strangely? Because these people were looking something different, no? They visited from another place, so they were saying that who is this people? So they were looking at them little strangely. While we were walking back to our room, we discovered the Almohad coffee shop. We entered the shop, sat at the table and ordered tea. So as soon they were walking over there, they discovered one coffee shop over there. Okay, they entered there and they sat over there. When we looked around and saw people drinking Turkish coffee and sweet mint tea in a glass. So as soon as they were looking here, means as soon as they went and sat in the coffee shop, they looked around and saw the people were drinking Turkish coffee. Okay, and a sweet mint tea. Mint is pudina. Okay, sweet mint tea in a glasses. We saw nearly all the customers men only playing Ludo, and they also saw that the people were playing Ludos over there. So y'all also play over there Ludo, no? Even y'all like to play Ludos. I've seen many children playing Ludos. So there it is a famous game. So they were playing Ludo. We liked the place and started going there every often to drink coffee or a mint tea. So those friends liked that place and they started going there often. Often means every day they liked to go there. So 1 or 2 days after they like to go there. After a few days the customers stopped looking strangely at us. So after some days the customer, those who were looking at them very strangely, okay, they stopped looking at them strangely. Why? Because they were oftenly coming there, then they were used to them, so they stopped looking them strangely. Though they never spoke to us and always continued playing. So those people, those who were sitting over there, they used to always they never spoke to them, यानी वो कभी उनसे बातें नहीं किया, लेकिन वो उनको देख के वो स्ट्रेंजर लुक भी नहीं देते थे, क्योंकि वो ऑफनली आना जाना करते थे, तो उनको ऐसा लगता कि वो उनके साथ थोड़े से फ्रेंडली हो गए थे एंड वो उनको देख के फिर अपना गेम कंटिन्यू करते थे. विच गेम वॉज दैट इज प्लेइंग विथ लूडो. 2 weeks later a huge man came up to our table and said something in Arabic. So 2 weeks later, यानी 2 हफ्ते के बाद एक ह्यूज मैन का मतलब होता है एक हट्टा कट्टा आदमी, उनके टेबल पे आता है और कुछ कहता है, किसमें? अरेबिक में. तो अरेबिक जो भाषा था ये इन दोस्तों को नहीं आता था, तो उन्होंने क्या किया देखो. एट वंस आई कॉल द वेटर एंड इंक्वायर्ड व्हाट द जेंटलमैन सेड. सो इमीडिएटली व्हाट दे डिड, दे कॉल्ड वन वेटर. उधर से एक वेटर को बुलाया और उससे इंक्वायरी करने लगा है कि ये जेंटलमैन क्या कह रहा है. तो वो जो वेटर है, ही टॉक टू हिम एंड सेड ही इज़ आस्किंग यू टू प्ले द गेम पच्चीसी विथ हिम. तो फिर वो वेटर उससे बात करके पूछता है कि क्या बात है. तो फिर वो बोलता है, उनकी बातें सुनने के बाद वो ट्रांसलेट एक दोस्तों को करता है कि सर वो आपसे बोल रहा है कि आप उनके साथ एक गेम खेलो, दैट इज़ पच्चीसी. सी हियर आई हैव रिटन इन हिंदी ओवर हियर. इफ़ योर प्रोनाउंसिएशन y'all can't do, so y'all can go through this. Then what happened, let us see. What's that? asked him. तो ये दोस्त लोगों को पता नहीं था कि पच्चीसी क्या होता है, तो ये उनको पूछते हैं कि पच्चीसी क्या है. I guess पच्चीसी must be a word of shooting or fencing in Arabic. तो उनको पता नहीं था पच्चीसी क्या होता है, तो वो पूछते हैं कि पच्चीसी क्या है. तो वो बोलते हैं कि पच्चीसी शूटिंग और फेंसिंग तो नहीं है. फिर वो बोलते दैट गेम, ही सेड पॉइंटिंग एट द लूडो बोर्ड. तो वो जो ह्यूज आदमी है वो बोलता है कि ये गेम है, पच्चीसी एक गेम है, और वो लूडो बोर्ड की तरफ पॉइंट करके बताता है.